while Narendra Modi was busy in making anti-farmer, anti-national laws, we were busy helping in students who are really in trouble. So it is very clear that who is helping who, and we haven't seen any other student organization in this time.
Eric pointed out that the other student organizations were sleeping when the entire movement was going on. There's a very large movement. We've not seen a student movement, such a strong student movement in many years. But now a large community of the students was demanding for an online exam. And an online exam because there was no access to notes. This is the first thing, that there was no access to notes. Second, access to material was not possible, and access to teachers directly was not possible. And net connectivity, as you know, in Goa was the biggest problem. So learning online and answering offline is not justice to the students, and this is what every student believes. And another issue is that in various colleges now there are cases of COVID that have come out, and since once a case of COVID comes out, there is no exam that is happening, and there is either postponement of exam, there is preponement of exam, and there is no clear mind wherein the student, because there is a timetable that the student follows, that so and so dates exams will take place, and after a COVID case happens in a college, there is postponement of examination, and there is no certainty for the students. And it is very important that for a student there is certainty, and when there is no certainty, it is all blank and the student does not know what to do. So for this, to ensure that there is certainty and there is exams that are taking place, because it is about the future of the students. Once they get the degree, once they pass the exam, they can in future they can get into other colleges. But if you start postponing the examination and don't have certainty to the examination, the student's life is under a problem. And this is what every student believed. This is what every student across party lines believe. But the problem came out, and the university was also ready to have online exams. The only problem came out when other student organization, that is the ABVP, comes out with a statement. They go to the university, they ask for offline examinations. When the entire student voice was for online exam, I don't know what was the need for an offline examination demand by the ABVP. So now that the COVID case has come up in Dempe College, in GEC College, and there is no certainty as to when the exams will be held and what will be the procedure of the examination, when it will be postponed, the entire responsibility goes to the ABVP, and the ABVP has to take responsibility as to why they came up with a demand, an unnecessary demand of an offline examination. Right now, the students have learned the entire syllabus in an online mode, and it is their right to have an online examination itself, which every student believes. So, keeping in mind these demands, we are again requesting, this is a last request to them, to ensure that the GATE examination issue is solved, and wherein COVID cases are found, what is the certainty that you are giving to the students? There has to be a certain demand. There has to be either you postpone the examination, you either have an online examination, or if you are having an offline examination, how will you have it? This is the question that we are asking.